Does this look like a mermaid dance?
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.
Hello, and welcome back to the Great Taylor C. Baker Show. I am Taylor C. Baker. Usually, I am baking my way through the Great British Bake Off technical challenges, but on Wednesdays we wear pink, and in that case I mean on Wednesdays we make pies from the musical Waitress. And today's pie is Mermaid, nailed it, Marshmallow Pie. Thank you so much to Jenna's Pie Palace, link in description below, for this amazing recipe. And today, I'm very jazzed to tell you that I've already made the crust. I use the Betty Crocker pre-mixed pie crust. If you would like to see the full gambit of making pie crust from scratch, you can check out this video, my first pie video from Waitress. So the first step is going to be making the marshmallow pudding. We are going to start by dissolving 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder. So we need to soak our gelatin powder in a 1/4 cup of water for 10 minutes. And now we need to boil it over a double boiler until it becomes clear, because now it is sort of lemonade colored. A double boiler means that you have a pot of boiling water with very little water in it, and you put a heat-proof bowl. Most people would use a clear bowl so you can see what's going on, and you don't want the bowl to touch the water. No touch. So you want your bowl to kind of be able to sit on top of your pot, and then we will pour in our gelatin. I think we did it. I can't even see it anymore. She has gone translucent. So now we are going to make our marshmallow pudding, which has room temperature egg whites, and we want to make sure there's no yolk, because we're looking for those stiff peaks when you whip up egg whites, and if there's even a drop of yolk in there, it will not work. So I'm going to show you in the mixer. So we have our room temperature eggs, and naturally one of them somehow already has my dog's hair on it. How do you always get on eggs? So we want to extract just the egg white. Oh yeah, that's a good stiff peak. Add in the gelatin now that it is cooled. So this is supposed to be a pudding. It seems like a nice pudding texture. The final step is adding the green. This requires so little of this to add colors. Beautiful. So since I had already made and cooled my crust, she is ready for the next step. We're gonna pour our freshly whipped marshmallow green seafoam mermaid pudding into our pie crust. Now she will chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. While our marshmallow pudding is chilling in the fridge, I'm gonna make the coconut whipped cream that goes on top of the entire pie. Now, as classic Taylor C. Baker fashion, I couldn't find coconut extract, which is one of the key ingredients to making coconut whipped cream. However, I did find rum extract. And I figured because there's gonna be so much coconut on top of the pie, rum is it'll be maybe a mermaid Caribbean cocktail pie. This pie just got a little sassier. So we are going to make whipped cream, and we're gonna do 1.5 cups heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of, in my case, rum extract, and then let the magic of the KitchenAid whip this liquid into a fluffy solid. Oh yeah, she be whipped. The magic of cooking science. That's why they call it, it's like being a doctor. I'm basically a doctor of food. So we are going to place our coconut, or in my case, rum whipped cream on top. Now for the very fun part, as is described by this bag. Fun mallows. Fun mallows. Mallows? Oh, and they're flavored. Orange, strawberry, lemon, and lime. What is that gonna taste like? This is sort of a free-for-all. There was no measurement in the recipe for this, which is pretty much how I prefer to make anything. So you just put these on top, and then mix in some coconut. I think I'm gonna do a base layer of coconut. Sweetened is a little stickier. Now we're gonna come back and just cover this pie with these marshmallows. This just looks like a bowl of Lucky Charms. This just looks like a bowl of cereal. Oh my gosh, I need to do a whole series of pies, because pies, okay, let's settle this argument right now. Pie versus cake. Comment below, are you a pie fan? Are you a pie fan or a cake fan? Because I would take a pie every single day over a cake. Comment below, what are your favorite cereals? Because I need to make pies out of all of them. Cinnamon Toast Pie, I'm coming for you. So now this needs to chill in the fridge for 1 hour before we slice it. All right, the most exciting part of any bake. The waiting is over. Let's slice into it with a really big knife. Let's give it a try. I can really taste the rum and the whipped cream actually, like a lot. I think, especially since I didn't have coconut extract, using the sweetened coconut was the right call. Very light, very fluffy, very not something I will ever make again. Thank you so much for watching The Great Taylor C. Baker Show. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what I should bake. Thanks for watching.
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.